The question A asks us to find B, so let P represent a probability mass function. So uh, if P is a probability mass function, then we get when K equals 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, then add them all, they equals 1, so we get that add 2P equals 1, and we define this equation 1. So we use equation 1 minus equation 1 multiple P, we get equals 1 minus P, so B equals, so add them all, equals 1 minus P, so P equals the square root of 1 minus P. So the problem B asks us to find the EX equals when K 1, 2, 3, add them all, PK, add them all, so we get equals 1 minus P square root equals A. We define this equation as 1, so use like the question A, we use 1 minus 2 multiple P, we get and we define this equation as 2, and then 2 minus 2 multiple P, we get A minus 2 multiple A multiple P, add A multiple P square root. Finally we get equals A equals 1 plus P divide 1 minus P. So the third question asks about yeah, just like the question 2, we get 1, 3 P. We define this equals B. So, and we define this equation as equation 1. So 1 minus 1 multiple P, we get equation and we define this equation as 2, and 2 minus 2 multiple P, we get the equation And we define this equation as equation 3, and 3 minus 3 multiple p, we get b. So then we get ex, the square root of x equals b equals 5p, add 1, divide the square root of 1 minus p. So in the question D, I asked about ex. We can find ex, square root x equals this one. So we get, and minus this one, the square root of this one. Equals 3p minus the square root of p divide the square root of